Losing weight is not an easy task. What if we said that there is a natural powder that can help you with that? We have already talked about these ingredients on our channel, but this formula is new. To lose weight naturally, you will need 3 things: clove, flaxseed and mint. Do you know the power of this combination? Cloves, besides being a very versatile spice, have a sweet and aromatic taste. It contains many important vitamins, such as C and E and minerals, and is also rich in antioxidants. Oh, it is also worth remembering that cloves can also aid in the control of blood sugar levels. Flaxseed can help you with weight loss thanks to the fiber it has, a nutrient that makes you feel satiated. Mint also has fiber, promoting a feeling of satiety and controlling the appetite. Besides that, mint also has a calming effect which, according to a scientific study sponsored by NASA, showed that people who smelled mint had their anxiety and fatigue levels decrease by 20% and their frustration decreased by 25%. Isn't it amazing? Not to mention that it is also good for your digestion. Please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends to help the channel. Now that you know all the benefits of the ingredients, see how to make the recipe. Write down the ingredients. 1 tablespoon cloves, 4 tablespoons flaxseed, 1 tablespoon dried mint leaves. Making it is easy. Put all 3 ingredients in a blender until they become a fine powder. Now you just need to store it in a glass or plastic container with a lid. Very easy, isn't it? To consume it, add 2 tablespoons of this powder in juices, coffee, tea or sprinkle it over your food. Use it for 3 days, then give it a 3-day pause. Repeat the process until you get the desired results. And remember, avoid using this powder after 8 p.m. since it may cause you some trouble getting to sleep. Hypertense people, pregnant and nursing women, or people who suffer from gastrointestinal issues or neurological diseases must not use it. If you try the recipe, share your experiences in the comments. Also check the description below to find more proven tips and remedies. Please give a like for this video and subscribe for a channel for more tips and product reviews.